You just suck the butt. Hold on, look at this picture right here, bro.
Hey.
Hold on, I ain't gonna go.
No, you're not going.
I want to look at him.
Right there.
I want you to look at this picture on my shirt, bro. You took that from me. You's a fucking clown, bro. When you go up top, nigga, your ass is done. You see her, bro? Dior, you took her from me, bro. You took her from me, bro. You took her from me. And my son. Hey, bro, your ass is grass, bro. Why would you do that, bro? Why would you do that?
Wait.
Why would you do that? Hold on, let me just talk to you for a second. I ain't seen his head now, bro. Bro, why would you do that, though, bro? Hey, man, your ass was broke for 2 years. You could have admitted to it, bro. You could have admitted to it, though. You ain't saying that.
Don't touch me.
You was a fucking clown, bro.
You touch me.
I can do that, though. I can do it, though. I want to look at your eyes, bro. Hold on. I'm gonna do your eyes. I'm gonna do it, bro. You out here with that light, you might throw that, right? You about that, you like, yeah, right? You want to keep up something? Hold on, I got stop this. I told you, I got
You standing there on the corner. You get to see your people now. You get to see your people. You get to see your people. You can't see us anymore. No, it's not touching, sir. Stop telling me to stand down. Stop touching me. I don't give a fuck. Stop touching me. I'm a man, though.
That's how the home, bro.
Right.
You right here, that?
No, it's a whole
This is what y'all what you do. Listen. Hey, yo, bro,
Listen here.
Listen. I just want to look at you in the eyes, bro. I'm looking with this every single day. I'm dealing with this every day, though. I'm dealing with this every day. Every single day, though. Me and my kids, I'm dealing with this every day, though. And y'all some fucking clowns, though. And y'all over here jacking this shit, man. I'm dealing with this shit every day, man. Every day, man. Me and her dealing with this every single day, man. You better smoke that nigga, man. You better give him the book, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. You better give him the book, man. For real, man. This is, man. I can't even explain how I feel, man, right now, yo. I swear to God, I can't even explain how I feel, yo, right now, man. I'm just 4 years old, man. I just had another baby, man. Hey, yo, we dealing with this shit every day. I tell them to calm down. If this is any of y'all baby house in Connecticut, I know you would. Y'all motherfuckers out here shooting everything up. I know y'all love, man. Hey, yo, this shit ain't different. Y'all don't come this shit because they ain't tough. This shit, y'all ain't going through this, so y'all don't understand. You don't understand because it's not you. If you had kids, you understand, man. You understand, yo. 4 days before, 15 days before our first birthday, man, this fucking clown took away because they want to shoot up the whole car, man. And y'all over here jacking this, I swear to God, yo. Yo, it's all good, man. And all we want is just for our daughter. That's it. That's it. I just want just for our daughter.
Listen,
come on.
I know you.
Come on, here. Come here, yo. Come here. Come here. Go.
All right.
What's the next steps when we get this over here going with Joey?
You got to sit down now. You make a mistake. I will stay. Miss.
I'm very crazy. This is not Charlie. I know this pain. I'm going to
All right. Step out. All right. Step out. Just step out. Anything else?
Judge,
Judges, I'm paid for my I'm just going to bring it back.
You come out here smiling like this shit a joke.
Look,
It's a fucking something, bro.
Look.
Like you come over out smiling and shit. Like shit funny or something.
Look.
Ain't nothing funny, bro. Wipe that shit off your face, bro.
I'm gonna have to.
Like shit funny or something, bro. You just stop my son before I do a smile. I want to be quiet. I want to be quiet. I want to be quiet.
You gotta step. Yes.
I'm gonna be quiet.
Good.
thank you, Judge. Obviously, it goes without saying that this has been a very long and emotional journey for this family, and we appreciate the patience of everyone and the assistance of the court officers in assisting the family through this. We did have an opportunity to read through the mitigation report provided by the defense, as well as the letters, multiple letters that were attached by his friends and family and loved ones. And Judge, we have no doubt that those people saw whatever good exists in Jesse Outley, but clearly there is a side of him that they are not familiar with and that they have not seen. We know, and this jury believed beyond reasonable doubt, that this man possessed enough evil, brazen, and careless behavior to have done what he did on April 11th of 2021. He clearly possessed enough anger to be so overwhelmingly violent all over a minor fender bender. Judge, it's countless careless acts of violence like this that we see time and time again in this community over nonsense that have caused too many families in this community to have to bury a loved one. The letters submitted by Jesse Outley and his defense have shown that he has people that are going to get to visit him while he's incarcerated. They're going to get to see him grow up and have other birthdays. But the family of Dior Harris they never got to see her turn 1. They are going to get to see her go to kindergarten or live through the milestones that every child should get to live through. They will get to visit him at the correction facility that he ends up in, but this family has to visit her at a grave. He took the time, he calculated this plan with Chavez Ocasio over a simple car accident. And he jumped into that back seat with that gun, spraying bullets into a car, killing this little girl and nearly killing 4 other people. He almost took the lives of 4 other people, including 2 other little girls. It's because of his careless conduct, Judge, that this man deserves the maximum sentence allowable by law. And we ask that this court impose a consecutive sentence up to 140 to life, because he deserves every single day allowable by law for taking the life of this little girl and nearly killing 4 other people. Thank you.
Yeah, Mayor.
Judge, this case was the subject of a near 2-week trial of intense strategy. Judge, we're certainly not here to relitigate that trial. I would note that much of the evidence in this case revolves around the cooperator and his girlfriend. The police had arrested this individual within 48 hours of this terrible incident. And Judge, while we respect the verdict and the decision reached by this jury, Mr. Outley maintains that he is not responsible for this crime. And it's upon our advice that he won't be making any comments here today. I do want to say, Judge, on behalf of Mr. Outley, that he does have tremendous empathy from a human standpoint for what occurred in this case, that he does feel very deeply. But he maintains, Judge, and he has always maintained, he's simply not the person who pulled this trigger. He looks forward to exercising his right to appeal, to be filing a notice on his behalf for the court. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Outley, anything? All right. Listen, this is whereas I agree with Barry that this is we've seen a lot of gun violence. And this is the place where a lot of that comes to light. Gun violence and some terrible things. But this case touched all of us and the community in a special way. 3 of them received 11-month-old. The victim of this type of violence. It's an extreme journey. And her mother and father, you can't imagine, I can't imagine, I wouldn't want to imagine what they're going through as a result of this. All right? This is an immense tragedy caused for the most insignificant reasons. Rarely have I seen a shooting or murder that was committed for a more frivolous reason than in this case. It's an outrage. I'm outraged. I'm devastated for the family in this case, because this is devastating. And the sentence has to be in accordance with the law. Therefore, for Mr. Outley's conviction for murder in the second, it's the sentence of this court that he's sentenced to 25 years to life for the murder of Dior Harris. For the attempted murder of Naima Watkins. It's a sentence of this court that he served a sentence of 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision. For the attempted murder of Naima Watkins, it's a sentence of this court that he served 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision. For the attempted murder of Shahima Butler, that's the sentence of this court that he served 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision. For the attempted murder of Desiree Seymour, it's the sentence of this court that he served a sentence of 25 years with 5 years post-release supervision.
Your ass grad, you fucking sucker. You ass done, nigga. I swear to God, nigga. You took my baby. Your ass is done. You ain't never coming home. And y'all over here, nigga, he done. Why not? It's over now. How?
Federal possession of a weapon of the second degree, 6 counts indictment. For possessing a weapon. Can't even use on the 6 count of the indictment. Federal possession of a weapon of the second degree. Intending to use state unlawfully against another. It's the sentence of this court that prevented these sentences to 15 years or 5 years. All of those previous counts should run concurrent with one another. The 7th count of the indictment charges it with criminal possession of a weapon to the second degree outside his home or place of business. The sentence of this court that he served 15 years plus 5 years post-release supervision. And that sentence shall be consecutive to the other sentences. That's the sentence and judgment of this court. There is a surcharge, $375. I'm going to defer to your response.
Guys, we appreciate it, guys. Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, also, Mr. Luciani wanted me to extend his thanks to the court for giving him the extension how to do with his illness that he suffered for. He was the power we got. They said to me for years that you're out of faith.
All right, that concludes our sentence.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Judge.
Can we go? We'll see you soon, Judge. It's done.